Hello, my name is Liz and this is a tutorial for my makeup. This is the preview. It's kind of natural makeup. Let's get started. Alright, so I just did my skincare. Now I'm gonna put 4 pumps of foundation on my face. A little bit on my neck. I'm gonna blend it out with my hands first before I go in with my beauty blender. Okay, now we blend it out with a beauty blender. A little bit on your eyelids. Blend your neck. There we go. We're going to lighten the inner and the outer corners of our eyes a bit. This is a bit light for my skin, but I want to highlight these parts right here. I always use my fingers first before I go in with the beauty blender. See that? The other side. Now we're gonna go in with concealer. I'm gonna add a bit here. Outer corners. I'm gonna put a bit on my nose here because it gets red. I'm gonna put concealer here. Line down my nose and my forehead. I'm gonna also cover up any blemishes I have. There you go. A bit on my chin too. Fingers first. Then we're gonna take our beauty blender and fully blend it out. Okay, once we're done with that, I'm gonna set my face. I use translucent powder. I'm gonna set our under eyes. A bit on our lids. Our nose. Whatever's left, I'll just set my forehead. My chin. Set your whole face, basically. Just like that. Now, my favorite part, contour. Where's my contour? Contour cheekbones. Drag it in. Then this thing right here. Like that. Blend it. Alright. Gonna contour our forehead a bit. Always make sure to drag it back into the hairline so there won't be any difference between your forehead and your hairline. I like to blend as I go. It's just personal preference. We're also gonna do a little bit here as well. Look it up. Take it all the way under here. Okay. I'm gonna do a little bit of nose contour. I like to do a circle. Drag that all the way up to our brows. Other side. I'm gonna do a little line here. Just like that. Okay. Now, my second favorite part, the eyes. You can just take brown eyeshadow or your contour. I have my crease brush right here. And we're gonna do the outside of our eyes to add a little warmth. Okay, then I grab a smaller brush, just take that same color and go under here. Just like that. Now, liner. I'm just gonna take my detail liner brush. I'm gonna take darker color, this color, and I'm gonna wing it. That. We're also gonna bring it in. Here. Bring it to the center of the eye. Okay, just like that. Blend it out a bit. And we're gonna repeat on the other side. I'm gonna connect it to my lower lid. Just like that. Now I'm gonna go in with my brown liner pencil. Line a bit. I like to make this sharp, so I'm gonna line this. There. We are going to highlight our inner corners, our nose, our cheekbones. Just take a bit of that. You can use your fingers as well, it's fine. Just lighten inner corners up a bit. Remember to blend. Okay, we're also going to highlight our nose. Drag this down. Blend it with your finger. And a bit on the tip of our nose here. We're going to highlight our cheekbones. So I'm going to take some of my finger, drag it along my cheekbones. And I'm going to add a bit of that on my upper lip. Like that. I use the same brush for everything, really. Okay. We're going to blend that out. I forgot to contour my jawline, so I'm gonna do that. We're gonna do our brows. Okay, I'm just gonna fill in just a bit. That. And I'm gonna brush them out. There. I'm gonna curl our eyelashes now. And mascara. On your whole lash. Oops. Coat your whole lash. I like to focus on my ends. And a bit on the bottom. Like that. I'm just gonna add a bit more on my outer lashes. Just to drag my eye out. Cat eye look, you know. Okay, another one of my favorites, my lips. I'm just gonna take my eyebrow pencil and line my lips. I'm gonna fill in the corners to get that pouty look. I love brown lips. I'm gonna take this Luster Viva Glam V from MAC and I'm gonna apply that onto my lips. I'm just gonna add a bit more pink, more color to this. I'll just put the products I used in the description. Alright, I like to save blush for the last step, so I'm gonna take a bit of this color. This is lipstick, but I use it for blush as well. That, blend it out all the way up here. Give a bit of color, put it on her nose, forehead as well. I'm gonna take my powder blush from Bobbi Brown, apply a coat of it on my cheeks. And now we're done with the makeup. I'm gonna style my hair and I'll be right back. And we're done. Just finished styling my hair, put in some earrings. And this is the final look. I love the eyes. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This is so pretty. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this look. Let me know. I'll see you in the next video.